here with you, and today I'm so excited. I'm doing an unboxing, and I got this package last Friday, and I wasn't coming to the studio, and we're actually the Wednesday the following week, and I wasn't coming to the studio yet because it was snowing, and I had planned that I had planned my videos ahead of time. So I didn't want to open this up until I was in front of the camera, because I wanted to do an unboxing and share an Etsy store that I found, obviously on Etsy, but an artist that does leather covers based in Ukraine, and from the pictures they looked amazing, and I wanted to share the reaction with all of you guys, and possibly, you know, bring her business, because if the prices were really good, and the shipping time was super fast, and the communication was amazing. Sorry. So I really want to open this up with you guys. I took a sneak peek, and when I saw like how beautiful the package it was, I didn't touch it, and I figured I was gonna open it up fully with you guys present. So here we go. I got, before the holidays, I got an amazing gift from a subscriber that I call a friend. I don't want to mention the name just in case she's not, she doesn't want it to be known, but she sent me an amazing gift, and I used that gift to purchase these beautiful covers. So I'm really excited to share them with you guys, because I'm obsessed with covers. To me, notebook covers in leather, it's like, and I don't want to break the packaging because I know I can reuse this. It's just like, it's like jewelry for a book, something that you can change out, and it changes the whole feel of the book, and that's what it is for me. Oh, smells amazing. It looks gorgeous. Check out how gorgeous that is. Oh, the pictures didn't give it justice. And look at the pockets and stuff. And so I'm going to be putting my reading journals inside this, as well as a journal that I have. Oh, and this is extras, so let's check that out. I took a sneak peek as well. That's so sweet of you, Angelica, to have sent this over. So the name of the store on Etsy, but you'll find all the details down in the description box below, is KVartal Studio. And as I said, I will be putting in the description box the link to the store. And check out the bookmarks. Oh my god, they're gorgeous. So beautiful. Oh wow, I'm obsessed. Oh, these are just stunning. Oh, that's so sweet. That's such a beautiful gift. Oh my god, I love them so much. I didn't check if you sell them on your store, but they're stunning. Wow, thank you so much. These are gonna be, I love reading. I'm obsessed with reading, and as you know, I have a reading journal, and that's, you know, part of what is gonna go inside these books. And I have others with like, I want one for my tarot journal as a cover. Oh, check it out. I'm sure they're gonna age beautifully. I love when it gets patinaed. Oh, so stunning. There was one I had purchased, and she didn't have it in stock because she had sold it in person, and I asked her, because the ones that I wanted had different colors of leather, so she said, well, I can offer you, said, I've got other ones that I can offer you. I said, well, do you have some that have different colors of leather, because I really love that. And so she sent me pictures, and I had trouble choosing, so I ended up choosing 2 extra ones because they were just so beautiful. And I'm so happy. Oh my god, it smells so amazing, so beautiful. I'm so excited for these. So highly suggest. I know not everybody's into real leather. I love the fact of using leather, and because you know, if you're eating meat, then I believe you should use the full animal, and that includes the leather. And this one has some space for the pens. Oh, they're really, really gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I hope you go and check her out, because if you love this type of thing like I do, you're just gonna adore what she makes. And as I said, the prices are really, really, really reasonable, even with the shipping included, and the quality of service is great. So definitely we'll check her out more for more beautiful covers, because I like changing them up. And you know, sometimes just changing the cover is enough to make me more interested in going back to a journal. And that's what I'm hoping to do, because I kind of lost interest in some of my journals in the past year, which is kind of sad, because I loved journaling. And I've got a feeling that part of that was due to the fact that, you know, I didn't rotate them, I didn't change the covers, I didn't do that sort of thing, you know, like that would have made a big difference. And obviously, like, these will last a lifetime, so I can rotate them and just enjoy them. They feel amazing. So go and check her out. Say a big hello from me if you do make an order, and I'm sure you won't be disappointed. And thank you so much, Angelica, for the extra bookmarks. They're just stunning. Loving, loving, loving this. So take care, guys, and I will see you all very soon. Love you so much. Bye.